Click on the settings button at the top right of the screen, this gear icon. Then on the product settings, click on the payments option. And then tap on this payments methods option over here. You may then scroll down and search for option called Affirm. At the Affirm option, hover your mouse on top of it and click on the enable button besides it. And then you are good to go. The Affirm is enabled as your Stripe payment method. This is one of my payment link that I just created. And as you can see, Affirm is already a part of the payment method. Just keep in mind sometimes it takes times for Stripe to include the new payment method, even few hours in my case, when I try to add another payment method to my Stripe account. While also there is a region lock for some payment method. If you still have any questions, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.